Hi, this is Danielle, the domestic scientist. In today's tablescape video, I'm participating in the denim, diamond, pearls, and lace tablescape collaboration. So to get started, I decided to tackle, in my opinion, the hardest part of this, which is the diamonds and pearl combination. I was at Hobby Lobby and I found these cute little wires that had a pearl with a surrounding diamond, and I found that in the wedding section. Those were about like $1.50 a piece because everything in the wedding section at that time was 50% off, and I decided to use it as a part of a napkin ring to incorporate the diamonds and pearls. So I purchased this Amish lace napkin set off of, I believe, eBay, and this came to me secondhand. So my goal is to just use this pearl and diamond combination to make a napkin ring for my actual napkin. I also found these really cute green wreaths at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to try to attach that to the napkin, and then I'm going to try to slide this wooden napkin ring on there, and I'll see if it can fit. So while I'm working on this, I want to take a moment to thank our host, Shangie, Living Life to the Fullest, and also Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And these two ladies have wonderful channels. I'll have a link to their channels in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Also, there are a number of other people participating in this same collaboration who are trying to attempt to wrangle in diamonds, pearls, denims, and lace as a tablescape. So be sure to check them out, and the playlist will be linked in the description as well. So I did find these little burlap bows also in Hobby Lobby, and I thought they were really cute, so I decided to make two place settings using the burlap bows and two place settings using those little green wreaths, and we'll see how they came together. So when I first heard about this collaboration, I was a little bit nervous about how I was going to mix pearls, diamonds, denims, and lace, but I think I found a way to do it just beautifully, so stay tuned. So let's take a look at what I've put together. I found this blue and white denim or faux denim placemat, and I found that, I want to say, at eBay, so I did get a really good deal on those being secondhand. I'm super excited about that. I used a burlap charger plate from Hobby Lobby, a plain white dinner plate that I got from Tuesday Morning as a set of 4, and some green salad plates from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I put my newly made napkins and napkin ring on top of my place setting, and I'm very happy about it. So I used the burlap napkin right next to the wreath napkin, and I think that they look really nice together. I'm actually not sure which one I like more, so leave a comment in the box below and let me know which napkin you think looks better. So on to the rest of the table. I wanted to make sure that I had a farmhouse vibe because I have, more of a farmhouse table, and I don't do as much farmhouse, so I'm trying to find a way that I can really enjoy it a little bit more. I used this moss mat from Hobby Lobby, and I used it actually in the spring summer tea party tablescape video I just posted yesterday. There'll be a link to that in the description as well. I like the way it looks, but functionally speaking, I don't like it because it sheds. So I am going to use it because I've already paid for it, but just in the future, if you want to do a look like this, I highly recommend AstroTurf instead. But anyway, I do like the farmy house look that it provides, and I love the green color payoff. I think that it came through beautifully, and I think it really helps with the vibe of this table. So as my centerpiece, I used these set of gears that I purchased, I want to say from Ross a couple of years ago. I've had those for quite some time, and I think it kind of adds to the overall farmhouse charm of the table. On one side, I'm using my white canister, and I put fresh basil in there, and so I just took my small plotted basil and plopped it right into the canister because I just thought it added something interesting, and if I was serving Italian, you could put fresh basil right onto your plate. So I thought that that was a cute touch, and that it continues to add more greenery to the table because I mostly have a monochromatic look and I put pops of green, so I want to make sure that the green is not lost, especially because my table is black, and I think it's very important to try to infuse as much color as possible without going overboard. So when doing a monochromatic look, sometimes it can get hard to, still have the pops of color as you desire and keep it interesting and still exercise restraint. It's like you're trying to do a lot of things at one time to create an elegant look without doing too much or not doing enough. So I think I got it all right. On the right side, I have a white canister. And that canister I purchased years ago from Crate and Barrel, and it has a nice little attaching spoon. I have 3 of those, and I have to tell you, I cringe buying that. I bought it for my first house and I was super excited to have it, but Crate and Barrel is so expensive. So if anybody has a good canister DIY video, that I would certainly be interested in seeing, because the canisters are so trendy, but they can get very pricey depending on where you get them from. So one of the things I like most about this table is the placemats. I love the blue and white denim look because it's just so classic, and it's something that you can use in multiple other place settings. So whenever I'm looking to purchase a piece, I won't buy something unless I can immediately see about 4 different ways that I can use it up front. And then when I get home, I try to make sure that that works out. Otherwise, I'll return it. And then there are rare occasions where I find something so special that I just want it, and it really doesn't matter if I'll be able to use it now or in 3 or 4 years. This particular placemat I'm going to use in a video that I'm releasing today as well, called the Under the Sea Tablescape collaboration, and this is going to be very different from the It's a Summer Affair coastal table that I did earlier this summer. So you want to make sure you click on the link in the description box to check out my other video using these placemats. Eventually I'll probably do a video just about these different placemats and chargers and showing you how I use it in multiple ways, because to me that kind of helps guide you in your shopping when you know that you can use it more than once. I don't like spending a lot of money on single use items or single concept items, and sometimes when you see something in the store you might like it, but you can't immediately envision what to do with it. So I personally love watching YouTube videos where people take something and transform it and reuse it and repurpose it multiple ways. I find them beneficial, so I definitely want to be able to provide one for you guys, especially if you're looking at a similar type of placemat or even napkins, because they do have some of those at HomeGoods as well. The other thing I like about this table is it's super casual, and it's something that I could serve, company with this table and be perfectly fine. But for myself and my husband, if we're not entertaining, it's something we can enjoy. And most of all, it's affordable and it's fun. And for me, it's certainly something different. So now I'd like to hear from you. Leave a comment in the box below and let me know what you think of my denim diamond pearls and lace tablescape. Also, remember that there are links to the host, the playlist, and my other YouTube videos in the description box. Be sure to check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.